So a buddy of mine calls me up. He says, can you help me out? I said, what do you need? He says, I got this condo. My tenant moved out. I want to put a new kitchen in it. Maybe a tile backsplash. I said, sure. Next thing he says, can you do it in a day? I said, who knows, maybe. So we thought we'd take you along, show you how we go about an install like this. It's going to be definitely down and dirty if he wants it done in a day. But at the end of the video, we're going to look at the material costs, the time involved, and what we charge for the project, and see if it was worth it. So stick around and let's get started. So it's been 10 hours, we're finally back at the shop. The old cabinets had already been removed and most of the materials for the kitchen install and the tile backsplash had been delivered to the site, which made this project much easier to tackle in one day. This kitchen remodel was as basic as it gets. Flat panel, white doors, and straight lay tile. You can't get much easier than that. But even a simple kitchen like this can increase the value of your home, or in this case, allow the condo owner to increase future rents. So let's take a look at the numbers. The materials we bought were tile glue, grout, and some fasteners. This came to $85.45. Our install time was actually 9 hours times 2 workers at $85 an hour comes to $765. So our total cost to complete this project was $850.45. We invoiced the customer $685 to install the kitchen, which included all the boxes, the doors, the fillers, the kicks, and the countertops. We then charged another $455 to install the tile and grout it. This came to $1,140. Less our material costs of $85.45, less our labor costs of $765, and we're left with a company profit of $289.55, which works out to a little over 34% above our costs. We had a lot of fun with this project, but here's the big question: was it worth it? I would have to say yes. We always try to maintain a minimum of 20% above cost for the company. This small project exceeded that goal by 14%, for a total upside of 34% above costs. This was a win-win project. The owner was happy with the costs and was grateful we could finish in a day, and we were able to make this a successful project. Hopefully this video can help some of you that may be on the fence about changing out your kitchen, or can give you some insight as to what to expect if you decide to go ahead with it. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And if you want to see more home renovation cost videos, click the subscribe button. And also, if you have any suggestions for videos you'd like to see in the future, comment below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.